welcome back to my channel. Today I have got another lash testing video. So this one is for magnetic lashes. The ones I've done previously have been the lash liner glue, whereas this one is a liner but it's magnetic. So I'll be honest, I was a little bit dubious about these in the past because I wondered how much damage the magnets would do to your eyes, but I have researched it and apparently there is no damage to the eyes at all. So yeah, that's just my research. I've looked at all over. I've looked on doctors' websites and all sorts, and yeah, because obviously I wanted to be safe myself, and yeah, I do now trust it anyway. So these are from a company called, I believe it's pronounced Chicnetic. So they reached out to me and asked if I would test these lashes. So the box looks like this, and then inside you get a tray that's got a instruction leaflet and ingredients, which is good. And then you get your glue, your applicators, and the lashes are in here. So this in itself is quite a cool little case really, isn't it? It's quite pretty. And then you've got a little mirror, and then, oh, there's actually two sets of lashes in here. So you've got those ones there, which are a bit more natural, and then these ones here, they're a bit more dramatic. So I think I'm going to go for the natural ones today and see what they're like. They're both quite flared, which is nice. I like flared lashes. Some of these tweezers, ooh, and the glue, which looks a lot like the Benefit 24-hour brow setter packaging, but rose gold. So let's try these out and see what they're like. So it says the first thing to do is to give it a good shake, so I'm going to do that. Right, and then I believe this is like a liquid eyeliner. Yeah, it's like a brush. So it's like a, you see that? I ain't got enough hands. So it's kind of like a little nib brush, which actually looks all right. I'm not the best at eyeliner, as you probably know if you've seen my videos before. I always say that. So I'm just going to pop this on as I would normally. Might take a while. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Okay, that's not actually too bad a brush. I don't know if you even saw any of that from what I was covering with my hand, but yeah, I'm not the best. I haven't obviously done a flick. I've just put it on where the lash is going to go. So yeah, I'm going to let that dry. Right, so it doesn't say how long you have to leave it to dry. So all I've done is leave it for as long as it took me to put that one on. So I've got my lash in my tweezer and I'm just going to pop it on. They were really long, so I've had to chop off probably one magnet. So the end of, yeah, the end bit I've had to chop off, but I'm quite scared, I'm not going to lie. Right, and then it says slowly just pop it on. That one was a little bit of a faff, I'm not going to lie. And the end isn't actually stuck. So I'm just going to try with the other one. But I don't know if it's because on this one I've got quite a lot on my actual lashes of the liner, whereas this one I haven't. So I'm going to try on this one. I don't know what to say. I'm going to be honest and say that they're not my cup of tea. I mean, they're all right. They don't look too bad from a distance, but and it says on the leaflet, it says bend them to make them feel more natural and that. And I did do that. I did bend them. I do that with normal lashes anyway. And yeah, they just, here on the, I'll show you, here on this inner part, they just don't sit right on my eyes. I don't know if it's because I've got quite small eyes, but they don't sit right there. And this corner hasn't stuck either. I don't know if you can see, but that corner hasn't attached, if you know what I mean. And there is liner under it, so I don't know why. And I did actually put 2 layers on. When I went off camera, I put another layer over the top as well. So there's plenty of liner on. I don't know why. It's almost like on this eye, there's like a gap. I want to like them, but yeah, they're just not me. But yeah, I mean, if you're someone that really struggles with lashes or something like that, then they probably would be all right. But yeah, I think I do prefer the glue liner with using your own lashes to these ones, unfortunately. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and it would mean the absolute world to me if you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!